Hi everyone. As I said from the previous video, we need to discuss about the few things. So first one is static versus dynamic, and second one we are going to set up a Visual Studio code which is helpful for editing the code and adding the live server to it. And at last we are going to write our first code. Here from the dynamic versus static website. Now I am going to discuss about the dynamic website, where dynamic website generates a content like it gives a response to the user request, right? Dynamic is nothing but it gives a response to the user request. In this dynamic website, content can change based on user interactions, data from the databases. Here you can see database, right? Database server, web server, and a client or web server. These are the three things which are involved in the dynamic website. So dynamic website often use server-side scripting. Like I have said just now in the previous video, I have said that so backend languages which are there like Python, Java, these are the languages which are used for the server-side script. There are different languages like we have PHP, Python, or Ruby. Many of the languages which are used in the server-side scripting. These are suitable for interactive sites, online stores, social networks, and other applications where content changes frequently or it is personalized each user to the each user. Coming to static website is nothing but it is not it doesn't having any type of database. It is only created using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here there is no backend, only it where it is used for styling. A static website page contains a fixed content. It doesn't change anything. Unchanging content will be there. So changes in the content require manual editing. Manual editing means in the HTML files, we can change it automatically in the HTML files. We need not to go through the back end. It gives only whatever we have written in the HTML files, and the content will be changed easily, and we can manage the content easily. But it doesn't have any database, or it doesn't have any response. Uh, so this is about the static versus dynamic. So now we are going to set up the Visual Studio Code editor. I'll tell you how to download the VS Code and how to set up the live server in that. And let's get started.